Yeah, so I was an EMT for almost 10 years, locally in the East Valley of Arizona. I always wanted to be a paramedic. I knew that for a while. I was just waiting for the right program to come in, and PEMA actually I found out about it through work. We had a partnership with AMR, um, but yeah, it was challenging at sometimes. I would literally come off of a 24-hour shift and then come into class for eight plus hours, and just keep repeating that. The next day I'll go back to work, and then I'd come in the following day. Um, the time management, like I said, is was very difficult for me, but with the flexible schedules here, that was the best thing for me and for future EMTs. Well, now I'm just going to slide right over to from EMT to paramedic at AMR down in a rural area. So yeah, and significant pay raise.